Here is Breeze dating app, pretty cool concept. I created an account and I will show you how it looks like. So here is the app. Is a dating app without a chat function. So no chat in this app. So match in this app means an instant date. After you match, you share your availability and we plan the date and arrange the location for you. No chatting, just dating, no endless swiping. Every day at 7 p.m. we send you a curated selection of people we think you will like. Unlike other dating apps designed to keep you swiping, Breeze focuses on quality over quantity, helping you get off the app and meet people in real life. So all users are screen verified. Dates are hosted in Breeze partner bars with staff watching out for you. So not just any place. They have a selection of their own places. And then if you agree for a date but don't come, ghosters face account freezes, and then daters pay upfront to show commitment. And that's the idea. So here's how it looks like. Unfortunately, it's not yet in many places. It's a very niche app. You create your account, you see some filtering, just like in Tinder, wherever. You can see what's your reach details, and then you can see your matches. You pay for a date, you enter your availability, value to the time and place for a date, you confirm your date, have fun on your date. If you don't sell your date, I won't show you ads now or sell your subscriptions. And then day preferences, you can set the price for the date. So super interesting concept. I don't know whether this app will blow up, but basically here you need to create your account. And this is just what it is. You also need to verify your profile. There are matching pools. You can find people in here in popular pools and all of these different categories. Date, wallet, account settings, app settings. And then if you wanna, you can also invite a friend. So you just invite it in here. So feel free to use my code if you're interested in this app. So that's the idea. And then, so yeah, just go and delete the account from account settings. And there you have it.